This is Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another episode of Front Clip Example. This is a 2023 Cadillac XT6. Customer's going to be driving down here from New York to pick this very clean front clip up in person. So this is the staging area. We have already washed it and gone over it to make sure that everything checks out and looks good. And this one has passed all tests. It's a beautiful front end. If you're picking up a front clip, particularly a Cadillac, it's going to look exactly like this when you come to get it. If we're shipping it, it's a whole different story. You can check out my other videos and see how we ship front clips. It's a very expensive and very time-consuming proposition. But for the purposes of picking up, this is how it will be ready for you. We don't load pickup trucks or try to side shift them anyway. They have to be put on a trailer. So if you have any questions, ask me. I'll be happy to help you out. Get you under the hood and show you what else you get. So rad, condenser, fans, all that stuff is still intact here, as well as the splash shields are down below. Fender liners, airbox, fuse box, hoses, lines, all the good stuff that you really need to do a front end. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. Thanks for watching.
If you get all this snow, we might have a problem one day.
Yeah,
We might not have the lot cleared, and I can't drive in snow.